NAPANTA is a new-age digital agriculture platform for the profitability of farmers and farmer produce organizations. In the present scenario, cultivation involved with high cost and efforts. Small farmers, marginal farmers, and farmers produce organizations are struggling to get profits due to huge cost of inputs, shortage of agricultural labor, high usage of fertilizers, pesticides, low yield, and poor marketing facilities. NAPANTA Digital Agriculture Platform helping farmers by market their produce also with the timely agro-advisory, simple and suitable guidance on crop management to ensure quality produce resulting in reducing cultivation cost by up to 30%. We are trying to ensure to get the best price to the farmers for their produce at the right time. We have provided an opportunity for the farmer to market his quality products through the NAPANTA platform easily. NAPANTA Digital Agriculture Platform has been serving farmers for the past 4 years at every stage of farm activity, right from the selection of seeds to harvesting the crop, ensuring proper advisory in cultivation methods, assistance in crop budgeting, crop planning, pest and disease detection and control measures, timely agro-advisory, and not the least, by the supply of quality crop protection products. By providing the services in the regional languages with the cooperation of 230,000 farmers, support of international research organizations like AIP ICRISAT and National Institute like Manage, support and encouragement from T-Hub Hyderabad and recognition from giants like Microsoft, and with the Pan-India collaboration with State Bank of India and Axis Banks. We are working out on an execution plan to be associated with 50 lakh farmers across India by 2025. Thank you.